My camera's already soaked, but oh man, that's sick. What's going on, guys? It's another early one for me this morning. I am on my way to my friend Spencer's house. He lives like 25 minutes away from me. And we are headed to, I think it's Arethusa Falls today. It's in the White Mountains of New Hampshire. He hit me up a couple days ago. Supposed to be really nice today, so he wanted to go up there and get some cool drone footage and hike up. It's like a 140-foot waterfall, so it should be pretty nice. It's actually been raining pretty much all night, and it's still just kind of misty right now, so I'm hoping it'll clear off by the time we get up there. Should be alright, hopefully. No, I'll stick with the North Face for now.
Well, it actually looks sick with a black guy hat.
What is this, Arethusa Falls again?
Arethusa, yeah.
Arethusa?
Yep. I was gonna say it's a lot of news from Megan.
I thought about it. We could put Haynes in the carrier, but
yeah,
it's just so slippery right now.
Yeah, it is.
It's poured for like the last, what, 12 hours probably. It's been raining since last night. So it's damp up in here right now. It's crazy. It's quite a little hike. Yeah. We just started, so we're both already winded. I don't do my cardio, that's for sure. 140-foot waterfall.
It's huge, it's beautiful.
With all the rainfall, it should be flowing good today. Supposedly we're almost to it. I can actually see some of the falls right now, but beautiful though. It has like this real mystical feel today because there's so much fog. It's like some Lord of the Rings stuff going on here. My camera's already soaked, but oh man, that's sick. It is ripping today.
Yeah.
That's nuts. We gotta find a place to cross. This is what it looks like.
I think we might have to go back down there. I think that'll be our best bet.
This is usually like a really popular place to be. This is like not the day you want to try to come up here. You can't even see the bottom of the falls. I'm gonna take the drone off here in a minute. It's gonna be probably the best drone footage I've ever had. The camera's soaked. I hope the body of this holds up, but I think my mic's probably wet. Probably sounds really distorted. I don't know until I get home and make my way down to Spencer.
What is it?
Medium ice caramel swirl.
Medium ice caramel swirl.
Just cream. Extra ice.
Can I get a medium ice caramel swirl with extra ice and just cream?
There you go.
Alright, one on one.
Yeah.
Woo! He pays. So we're just headed back. We left the falls a little bit ago. Got the camera charged up now. I don't really know if the mic's actually working right now. It sounded okay when I was listening to some of the stuff, but it got soaked up there. I mean, like my camera was drenched.
I guess there's one way to find out.
I guess after this, but
Yeah.
crazy trip up there. I'd actually never heard of Arethusa Falls before.
It's weird. It's a thing that really no one's heard about around here, but it's just one of those things when you go and do it.
Oh, it's crazy.
Yeah,
And it's not typically like so, I don't know what you call it. Like the water isn't that like aggressive and crazy. It's usually like a trickle in the summertime. 'Cause it's just a small stream that feeds the actual waterfall. But it just rained pretty much the whole night, so there's a ton of runoff.
Yeah, and it's crazy because I think the White Mountains alone in New Hampshire have so much beautiful spots to go to. And that's just one of
Yeah, so hands down best drone footage I think
Yeah, that
I've
drone,
ever gotten. The drone footage was crazy.
that was amazing. Like I said, I've never even seen a drone in use, let
Yeah.
alone the footage and how it's being taken. And that was just the coolest thing.
Yep.
Coolest.
I think this is the official start to Spencer starting his own YouTube page, like a legit YouTube page.
Yeah. We'll see.
You got to come up with a name.
We'll see. I don't know. We'll see.
Exploring with Spencer. There's a lot of those guys out there though. There's
I
like
think
a million of them.
Dora the Explorer already did that. That's copyrighted.
It's alright though. Good work for YouTube. But if you like the video, give us a like. Spencer is actually on YouTube, just Spencer Sousa. He's got a sick Portugal video
Yeah, I'm trying.
that he put together on there with all GoPro shots, but it's really cool. So if you haven't seen his stuff, go check out his page. I'll actually just link it in the description so you can go check out that video too. But yeah, thanks for watching.
Yeah.